video, we're going to unbox the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Yay! And we're also going to take a look at 4 different cases. Now, these are not the cases that come with the ring in the back so you can do the wireless charging. So, without further ado, take a look. Now, all the cases that I ordered, the 4 cases, I got them all from Anker. This is a tiger print, or leopard print, like a black and gray. But I love the phones because I like the strap. And it's good quality. They don't have the circle in the back, like I said, but I like this strap because I can put my hand through the strap and hold my phone. Or you can use it as a keychain, but I've never used that, but I love this strap. Now let's move on to the next. Now, like I said, all of these cases are from Amazon. This case is a clear case because I wanted to show off sometimes the color of the phone. So every now and then I like to switch it up. Once again, you can't charge this phone on the wireless charge because of the strap. But it's a nice case and I like it. Nice clear case, real durable too as well. So let's move on to the next case. Now this case right here is really nice. I love, my favorite color is purple. So this is like a purple / maybe fuchsia. But this case is a hard case, and you can also put your credit cards or driving license in this case. Now this next case is one of my favorites as well. It's a clear case, but it has flowery designs on it, and it's really, really nice. I like it because it says on the back, let all that you do be done in love. Look at that. Let all that you do be done with love. And they all are cases with straps on. All 4. Now let's get to the phone. Now I'm going to tell you a little bit about the 12 Pro Max, but I'm not going to get into too much detail. But this is 5G, and it comes and it's available with all the carriers. It starts at $1,100. Depending on how much storage you want to get, this phone can run you up to $1,400. That's no joke. Now the phone comes in 4 colors: gold, silver, graphite, and Pacific blue. And as you can see, I got the blue. Pacific blue there. Now the display on this phone is 6.7. It has Gorilla Glass front and back with stainless steel trim. And for those of you who sometimes may drop your phone in the toilet or in the pool or anywhere around in the water, this phone is IP68 dust and water resistant. The phone comes with 6 gigs of RAM and 128, 256, and 512 gigabytes of storage. And also, no micro SD card slot for expandable memory. Now, Apple, I'm just going to be honest. You guys are slipping when it comes to expandable memory. Get with the program. Now, the phone is running iOS 14. So now, you can move your widget, something that Android's been doing for years. Hello. Now, according to Apple, you can charge your phone from 0 to 50% in 30 minutes. Wait. And they say that this phone has the best space unlock ever. Now, later on, I'm going to tell you what I don't like. So let's open it up, shall we? Now, what I can say about this box is the box is a nice presentation. But as you can see, this box is a whole lot smaller or thinner than the usual box that we used to get with a charging brick. Now what I'm going to do, like everybody else do, we're going to do the slow-mo when you just pull the paper off this lovely box. Check it out. Hear that? Hear that? No, I don't get it. Why do you do this? I don't understand. Okay, now we're gonna do, the slow-mo. Opening the box. Voila! Look at that beauty. Ooh-wee! Let me move this out the way. Now look at this. This blue is nice. I was gonna get the gold, but I wanted something different. Plus I had the gold in the XS. But this blue looks amazing. Alright, we're gonna peel off the paper slow again. Listen. Yeah. This phone is nice. Now, I've never had an iPhone with the square edges. You know, this was considered how the first generation iPhones used to look. And so now I'm experiencing this in the bigger version. I don't like small phones, but let me wipe it down a little bit. Now the sides are fingerprint magnets, that's for sure. So, because it's the stainless steel on the sides, but this is an immaculate phone. I'm loving it. It's nice. So in the comment below, hey, tell me who is going to get this phone. Are you thinking about getting this phone? Would you get this phone? Do you have a phone to trade in for this phone? And if you do get this phone, what storage are you going to get? Are you going to get the 128, 256, or the 512? Now, some might say if you have the 11, should you get the 12? Well, it's up to you, and it depends on how deep your pockets go. But let's continue with the rest of the unboxing. Now, we have your USB, well, this is the lightning part. So you got the lightning cable and the USB Type-C. Everybody's been wishing it was USB Type-C to USB Type-C, but I think Apple's going to stick with that. Now you got your SIM ejection tool and your Apple sticker. Oh, this is bigger than what the other ones used to be. You only get one in the box. The other one used to give you two. And then the usual books and stuff. So, you know, even the book packet got smaller. Everything's downsizing. Alright, so now what we're going to do, we're going to take the SIM ejection tool and we are going to see if this has a SIM card, because on the website it said it was going to come with a SIM card. So we will soon find out, and let's see. So let's get it out. Nope, no SIM card. Well, this means that I'm going to have to go to the carrier and you have to get a SIM card, because for the simple fact, your old SIM card is not going to work on your new phone, because in fact this is a 5G phone, so you got to get a whole new SIM card. So I got to go and get a whole new SIM card for this, because my old SIM card is not going to work in this phone. Well, overall this feels good. The backing feels good, the front is good, the glass. I would recommend you get a screen protector for this phone, because you don't want to get scratches. I've heard that some people, when they get their phone, they didn't put a screen protector on it at first, and it got scratches. I'm just saying. So now I'm gonna head over there to the Verizon store before they close, so I can get my new SIM card. And once I get my SIM card, I'll transfer all the data from the old phone to the new phone, and then you'll see what everything is looking like. Alright, now you can see everything is transferring from the old phone to the new phone. Now make sure you plug in your phones, because sometimes this process could take a while, depending on how much data you have to transfer from the old to the new. Now everything has transferred over. As you can see, everything is speedy. It looks like the same exact phone. So voila, and we are done. Now as you can see, the phone, the 12, is slightly wider than the 11 Pro and just slightly taller than the Pro. So it's really not a real big difference in the two. And wipe it down some more. You can tell this is a fingerprint magnet in the back a little bit. But all in all, this phone is a beast from the rooter to the tutor. I think that's country. Now let's check out the phone all the way around. You got your 2 speaker grills. You got your charging port. You got your 5G antenna on this side right here. That's a 5G antenna. Like I said, it's fingerprint magnet on the fingerprints, but look at that shine though now, after I done shined it up. Power down button on the side right here. But this stainless steel is nice though. I'm loving this stainless steel. I gotta shine it up. You got your, on this side you have your power up and down button. You got your mute on and off button. And your SIM tray right here where your SIM card goes. So, this phone, look at that, more fingerprints. But anyway, I love this phone. Now at this point, now we're going to try on each case. And I'm going to show you what all of them look like once they're on the phone. Now the next thing we're going to bring up here is the Anker fast charging brick. This is a fast charger because Apple doesn't put any chargers in. But this is a 60-watt fast charger, so it's going to charge your phone really fast. You got a USB Type-C and you got a USB Type-A. 60 watts. Can't go wrong with this. Anker, you got my vote. Now with this charging brick, you can also charge your MacBook Pro with the USB Type-C charging brick. That's what they say, you can charge it up. So this is a good product. Now I'm going to leave everything in the description box down below. The Anker charging brick is under $40 and all the iPhone cases are under $15. It's cheaper than Apple. I'm just saying, $70 for a charging brick and a cable from Apple. You do the math. So tell me your thoughts about the 4 cases and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Are you going to get the 12 series? Leave a comment below.
Hey, thank you for subscribing to my channel, and I'd like for you to check out PrincessAG Tv, also Life with King and Shay, and I want you to go on check out my man, the Smoken'Bear. I'd like to thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. That's very important. Please subscribe. Thank you. Until next time.